A dream comes true. Is it possible to make good money while you sleep? Gone are the days that setting the alarm for 5 a.m. to rise up and catch the bus to work are over. From my tender age, my dream of making money while asleep was in my bucket of my to-do list. I always thought of how I could watch cash hit my bank account while taking a glass of wine and refreshing along the lakeshore. If you, too, have such a dream, with persistence, the reality will dawn as it has done for me today. What are the 13 best rated ways you can make money while sleeping? Real estate investment. Real estate is one of the top-rated ways of making passive income. It refers to either buying property for resale, renting to tenants, or buying real estate investment funds to make profits after a specific period. When you purchase the real estate investment funds, you do not have to be the rightful owner of the estate as it is in the case of purchasing residential oases. Besides, one can connect to platforms that source clients interested in the business and make money from the same. Stock market investment. If you have thought of making money while you sleep, investing in individual stocks is the way to go. Examples are Shopify, Etsy, and buying securities such as mutual funds and index funds counts on the stock market. All you need to do is to open an account with reliable tax brokers such as Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and Fidelity to make the initial investment. What makes it even better with stock investments is that not much investment is required to start. Why not start investing with acorns from your spare change available? Publish a blog. This is a great way to sell information about a specific topic. All you need to do is to be passionate about your target niche. For instance, business. You can choose to educate people about business through your website and make vast sums of money as a blogger. To succeed in this, as many bloggers have done, invest in Google AdSense or search for companies you can place advertisements and generate as much traffic as possible while you make money. Open a high-interest savings account. With the rise of many financial organizations that require deposits to transact on their businesses, interest rates are also rising. Researching the best financial institution that will offer high yields at the end of a defined period will automatically yield tons of dollars in your pocket with no effort needed. However, confirm that the company is legitimate to avoid losing your investment. An example of a financial organization is online banks. They offer high interest as compared to traditional banks. For instance, I have invested with Current with $10,000 with an interest rate of 4% PA. Within 1 year, I'll expect to get $400 doing nothing. Create an e-commerce store with Amazon. As we know that Amazon is an international sales store, you too can create an account, sell your products through Amazon and make an excellent passive income. Besides, you can also sell designs such as the Amazon Handmade or Amazon Merch using the Amazon tools and become a millionaire just by being online and advertising your products here. Teach online. When COVID-19 struck in 2020, people were confined to their houses and engaged in online learning. To date, training online is on the rise. You can create an online course, advertise it through Udemy, or even through your WordPress website and get students who wish to learn online and make money out of this. Become an author. You do not have to be a genius to publish a book, nor get to go through so many policies to have your book published. Things have never been so easy as now. You can contract Amazon Kindle Direct to have your work marketed, sold on the Kindle store, or even sell yourself writing on social media. This is a lucrative kill you can make from your small fortune of publishing books online or selling hard copies. Create a YouTube channel. This is great for people who love talking more than writing to pass information. By creating YouTube channel, you can invite companies to advertise in the mix of your target clients and make money through the paid adverts. If your channel focuses on business, brands such as banking services can feature in your channel, and people can buy the idea of getting finance from the banks. Sign up for a website. By getting a unique domain name, you can help in generating traffic through your website and make real money. For instance, advertising your real estate business can result in significant profits when people come in to rent your estate from all corners. However, setting up a website can be challenging and, therefore, essential to engage an expert to jumpstart your business with a longevity mindset. Develop an app. With current technology, implementing an app, for instance, a taxi cab services app, where taxi operators can locate where their customers are online, can be a great deal to your target customers. Learn the tactics of designing the best apps, and advertise them, and money will start flowing in when customers start subscribing to the apps. Signing a contract with Airbnb. People make lucrative incomes by renting out their houses on Airbnb. This is whereby you furnish your house and list it on Airbnb. Guests will come looking for short-stay accommodation and pay for the space for the time they will reside in your house, thereby making good money enough to pay your mortgage. Sell photos. Have you ever heard of stock photos? This is an excellent way of making passive income. For instance, taking photos and selling them to sites such as Canva.com and earning income when people who love those photos download them for their use. Renting your car. Most of the time, we find ourselves parking our cars the entire day. Rather than doing that, renting your car on companies like Turo can help generate daily income while your car is listed for rentals by the company of choice. Do you think this is worthwhile? Indeed, these ways are great for making you earn a good income doing nothing. Besides, you get several benefits on the same, such as ability to pay your debts fast, a soft way of saving for your retirement, maximize your time while you engage in other things. Conclusion. If you have wondered about the best ways to make money while you sleep, there you are. But remember, it takes sacrifice to do this, and again taking charge of your finances to achieve your dreams. And at the end of the day, your question on how to make money while you sleep will become a reality.